Wow, that's gonna be strong. Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Razwal and I post videos weekly on how to do easy cocktails at home. If you haven't seen my previous video, check the links in the description below or you could check it somewhere up here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Colt 45. This cocktail is based with Jägermeister, gin and Red Bull. So take your highball, fill it with ice, add about 30 ml of gin. There you go. 60 ml of your Jägermeister. Wow, that's gonna be strong. There you go. And to complete the drink, you need to, whoa, this just got stuck to my hand. You need to top it up with Red Bull. Let's top that up and let's come to this. It's not gonna go out, I guess. That's done. We got a problem here. I'm gonna take this out now. It's stuck, it's not coming. Anyway, I'll come to this in a moment. I'll try to take it out, but you gotta apply a lot of pressure to take it out, guys. Oh, there you go, she's out. To complete the drink, all you need is a lemon and you can drop a cherry in. So, there you go. Add a lime or a lemon wheel and just drop a cherry in the glass. And to finish it off, don't forget to add a straw. Cheers. That's a Colt 45. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.